Question. Difference between portable class library (PCL) and shared project. Portable class library (PCL) produce libraries that can be shared across multiple platforms. Targeting specific platform includes interfaces. Refactoring operations always updates. Shared project. Shared code can be branched based on the platform using compiler directive. Example, using #if underscore Android underscore comma if #if underscore iOS underscore comma #if Windows underscore phone underscore app comma #if Windows underscore app, etc. 2. Secondly, no output assembly. And thirdly, refactoring operations not update automatically. Question. What does pages in Xamarin.Forms? What does pages in Xamarin.Forms? The page class is a virtual element that occupies most all of the screen and contains a single child. And pages in Xamarin.Forms are directly mapped to like below. In iOS, it is a view controller. In Windows Phone, it is a page. In Android, it is an activity. Question. What are the different kinds of pages in Xamarin.Forms? Fortunately, Xamarin.Forms support multiple page representations, and every representation is having its own purpose like below. IS content page, a page that displays a single view, often a container such as stack layer out or a scroll view. 2. IR master detail page, a page that manages two panes of information. 3. Navigation page, a page that manages the navigation and user experience of a stack of other pages. Tabbed page, a page that allows navigation between children pages using tabs. And last but not least, templated page, a page that displays full screen content with a control template and the base class for content page. And lastly, carousel page, a page allowing swipe gestures between subpages like a gallery. Question. What are the layout controls available in Xamarin.Forms? Layout is the process of sizing and positioning child elements in UI. One is Contents Presenter, a layout manager for templated views used with a control template to map where the content to be represented appears. Secondly, Content View, an element with a single content. Content View has very little use of its own. Its purpose is to serve as a base class for user-defined compound view. Thirdly, an element containing a single child with some framing options. Frame have a default Xamarin.Forms.layout.pattern of 20. Scroll View, an element capable of scrolling if its content requires. Templated View, an element that displays content with a control template and the base class for Content View. Absolute Layout positions child elements at absolute requested positions. User assigned anchors and bounds defines the position and size of the control. Grid, a layout containing views arranged in rows and columns. Relative layout, a layout that uses constraints to lay out its children. Stack layout, a layout that positions child elements in a single line which can be oriented vertically or horizontally. This layout will set the child bound automatically during a layout cycle. User-assigned bounds will be overwritten and thus should not be set on a child element by the user.